we're going to get adjusted. And then she's going to tell you a little bit of story in 3 different ways. Ok? Prima è come. Aspetta. Uno più. Tranquilo. Now,
So good.
sit here. Okay, sit. We got our photographer filming us. Okay. Good. And one more. Very good. And now face me to me on this side. That's good. Wait. Right here. Good. And now the other side. The other side. There we go. Relax. Look at that. And you've been adjusted.
Oh my God.
All right. So tell her what you think.
Io penso che tu sei un dottore fantastico e penso che mi hai fatto sentire molto meglio da quando sono qua. And I'm very lucky, sono fortunata che ho trovato questo dottore. Giuseppe Vettere è il migliore per farti sentire meglio.
I know what she's saying.
Right?
But that part I'm not going to repeat because that's bragging.
I think I'm so happy about finding him to adjust me. I really feel much better. When I start in the morning, my days start perfect. When I come in the night, I sleep amazing. So thank you so much.
Great.
For what you're doing to me. Faleminderit shumë. Jam shumë e kënaqshme që kam gjetë si doktor.
Now this I don't understand.
He's very careful. I'm sorry, I mix it up in languages, but I think people will know. Jam me fat që më bën mundi mirë si paciente dhe faleminderit again. Thank you.
Excellent. So that was a 3-language story.
I think I mixed it up. But we
You
can...
jumped a little bit. I heard a little Albanian and Italian in the same sentence.
I'm sorry.
That was great though.